Hey, what's up? This is Felicity and here is another tutorial how to create a strike line with live action footage. So let's start. First, select your footage and lock. Go to fit your screen and right click, create a new solid. Right here, particles and turn off. Select your footage. Take a look. I need to track here. So if you need to continue your strike line particles, you must move your null object frame by frame. So how to do this? Go to motion tracking and select track motion. Zoom in, select your track point and set here. Okay guys, and now let's track. Take a look. You jump. Not bad. So guys, and now time to move frame by frame. Press page down, zoom in, take a look. 1, 2, 3. Ctrl Z. Select your track point. Take a look. Your track point. Page down, page down, page down. That's it. Okay guys, the tracking is finished and now I need to apply particular. Go to RG Trapcode. So select the particular and wait. Okay, take a look. Go to emitter, create a null object and go to edit target, your motion tracking, select null object particular, okay, and apply. Okay, so and now you can see your null object right there. Take a look. Not bad. So select particles, turn on the particle and go to environment. Move the particles to right side like this and control the gravity to minus. Right, minus 50. Not bad. And now change the particles 10,000 and change velocity 0, 0, 0 and 0. And now go back to particles, select particle to strikelet and change the size. So go to opacity over life, go to presets, select the presets to smooth presets, select this one, make apply and go to size over life, select the presets, select size over life, apply. Okay, and now let's play. Not bad. Stop again and go to color, change the color to energy bright blue. Okay, change opacity to so go to again effects and right here glow effect right here glow and double click zoom in control so go back to select yellow a bright color. Let me select one of the better color. How about this one, little bit green? Okay, and change opacity to 1. So let's play again. Not bad, but I need to closer to the scooter tire. Go to size over life and make little bit closer and go to opacity over life, make little bit closer, select move little bit down. I don't need too much close. Yep. Okay guys, and now play again. Great idea. So select again the particles, make a duplicate, Ctrl D, select and change the color to another different color. So click OK. So change the size. Let's see. Change the size and the gravity right here -25. Yep, and control Wandex 800 and control life in 2. Good, and let's see about particle size. Take a look, there is the size. Control to 25. Great. So let's duplicate once again to make another one for life seconds and control the size 15 and control the gravity to 0, control the Wandex to 650, control the color into yellow. Let's play again. Let's see guys. Nice.
Great.
Play again.
Epic.
Great idea. Let's play again with render.
Just
Not bad. Okay guys, this was about how to create a straight line for scooter by particular. Don't forget, you can find particular plugin in my Patreon account. Find the Patreon account in video description. You can find the link and click download particular plugin for After Effects. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.